So I was recently presented with the question as to whether someone should invest in a Roth IRA outside of their employer if their employer does not match on their 401k. Stay tuned. We'll dive into that question shortly. Most employers will match your contribution to your 401k or 403b or whichever retirement plan that you have at your employer. In some situations, employers will only match a certain percentage of the portion of the money or savings that you put in from your payroll deduction. Even if your employer does not match your 401k contribution, I still suggest utilizing your 401k. It is still a great tool to keep you disciplined when it comes to saving for retirement. In situations where your employer does not match any contribution that you make, or they make a very, very little contribution or match towards the contribution that you make, I always suggest that you look for other options to increase your retirement savings. So one of the best ways to diversify your retirement is by having a Roth IRA, which is something that's going to provide you with tax-free growth, and your taxable account, which is your traditional IRA or your 401k. So if you're in a situation where your employer is not matching your 401k contributions, I always suggest don't overload, don't put too much of an excess into your 401k because you're not getting the benefit of the free money from the matching. Instead, I would suggest switch to a Roth 401k or possibly take the excess that you would have had if there was a match and put in a Roth IRA. This will allow you to have tax-free growth as you move towards retirement. I do have a video about the Roth IRA in which I explain all the nuances about that investment vehicle, and I'll post a link to that video in the comments below. If you have a desire for more financial tips when it comes to investing and estate planning, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We post videos every week regarding the topics of investments and market insights. If you have any questions or concerns about your retirement planning, please reach out to me directly. You can contact us at investments@warwickshore.com.